Today we're going to be updating I just did a video on why I was switching from the Sonos bar right there on my desk, and I'm sad to see my Sonos go, and so let's give you a look behind the curtain.
Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast.
You see these things here? These are the adhesive strips that you use to do your desk. They always come down at some point. So I no longer want to use these types of products. I have to find products that screw in.
Milk and eggs, brush my teeth up.
These are my new monitors, at least for now. These are the ones I'm trying out. I saw these on Instagram. Oh, a lot heavier than what I thought they would be. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. Ton of, I love when they send stickers and stuff. So these are the Vigilant Audio Switch 1 Premium speakers. These monitors can switch between hi-fi and studio quality monitors. So basically they will go to a flat signal and then go back to more of an entertainment signal, just to keep it simple, by the switch of a button on the back. Inside the box, we have the accessory box, Switch 1 accessory kit, the monitors themselves, and these are little, these are tiny. Inside the accessory box here, power supply, they're Bluetooth wireless speakers, and you can connect them. That's just the power plug that goes into the wall there. And then here is a cable to connect the two speakers together. This goes into your audio interface, right and left channel. The actual speaker itself, nice. And so you have 4-inch passive radiators on the side there. There's the back of your monitor. There is the front, your tweeter, and 3-inch. And so you have, there is your switch there. You see it, studio, hi-fi. You have power in, of course, that's to connect the other speaker. Then your right left channel, of course, onto your audio interface. Right left, that's a balanced right left, and then you have the unbalanced right left right here. And then your pairing button for Bluetooth. Man, this looks good. On the front there, you got your auxiliary in, then you have your headset right there, and then you have, of course, your dial volume. So let's look at the opposite speaker. And you see there the opposite speaker is the reverse without the control center on the back. Those connected compared to my Sonos, it's just wild.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love?
So these I picked up on Amazon. These are the Audio Engine desktop speaker stands. And so this isn't necessarily my final setup, so to speak, but this is what I'm going to be using to test out, you know, different monitors for now on my desk until I know what I'm getting and how to make that look permanent. But these little, that's cool. These little wedges here basically stop the vibrations of the sound from going through the desk and different things like that, and it isolates it makes it sound better. Keep it simple. It makes it sound better. And so I'm gonna put these Switch 1s on top of these little pucks here, and it's gonna make the audio sound better sitting directly on my desk as opposed to like before when I had them on speaker stands.
I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I...
Okay, first hitch in the road is that these don't come with 3/4 inch. They come with these audio RCA cables, and that is not, that's for the unbalanced setup, but that's not what goes into the back of my UAC 232, which is going to be for a balanced setup. So I need those 3/4 inch plugs. And so I'm gonna have to order something probably. Time lapse? This is the finishing touch to my newest update to my office setup here. And I had to grab these yesterday because the cables that come along with it didn't align with my audio interface. And so I had to get cables that worked with my interface. And I got a couple of these little 3.5 to 1/4 inch adapters in case I end up not liking how long these are, because I actually need to get shorter versions of these for that, because these are 10 foot, I believe, and that's far too long for what I have here, but this was the fastest thing that could show up. And so depending on what monitors I get, if I keep these or if I get something different in the future, I may have to use these depending on where they sit. But the way that the switch ones, Vigilant Audio switch ones work, literally I need a foot cable, and that's really all I need. But I went ahead and ordered these, which are 10-foot cables, because they showed up right away. And so that's what goes in the back of that audio interface. So we got 2 of them, far too long, but I'm going to get this set up and then reveal my new setup for now.
I know my destiny.
So that's it so far for the office makeover. Again, I'm going to be looking at different monitors, trying out different brands. So far, the Vigilant audio switch ones are really good. There's some pros, there's some cons. I'll be doing a full video on that. Make sure you stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed to see when that video comes out. But so far, so good. Also, the wire management underneath my desk looks a lot better now. Got all those wires up and off the floor, up and away from the wall and things like that. There's still some that I can't avoid, but I don't care. But anyway, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. That Sonos equipment back there, as I mentioned, is going to be repurposed upstairs in a project that I'm doing in my bedroom. So make sure you subscribe to see those type of things. And as always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.